In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera with Zoom. If you're looking to enhance your Zoom calls with professional-level video production tools, integrating OBS Studio is the perfect solution. OBS, or Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open-source platform ideal for video recording and live streaming. Once integrated, you can impress your team with unique backgrounds, transitions, and more. So let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll need to open the OBS Studio on your computer. If you don't have OBS installed, you can get it from their official website. Simply download the version compatible with your operating system and follow the installation prompts. After setting it up, open the program to get everything ready for your virtual camera. Next, within OBS, you're going to want to find and click on a button labeled Start Virtual Camera. This is usually located on either the right side or at the bottom within the control panel area of OBS Studio. Clicking this activates OBS as a virtual camera, essentially allowing you to use whatever is displayed in OBS as your video output on Zoom. This is a powerful feature if you want to add overlays or transition effects in real time. Now, move on to Zoom. Open the application and either join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you're in the meeting interface, pay attention to the lower left corner of the Zoom window, where you typically find the video controls. Hover over the Start/Stop Video button, and you'll see a small upward-facing arrow right next to it. Click on this arrow, and a menu will appear showing all the available camera sources on your device. Here, you should see an option labeled OBS Virtual Camera. Carefully select it from the list to make it your active camera source for the meeting. Once selected, whatever scenes or videos you have set up and running in OBS Studio should now appear as your video feed in Zoom. This is where you can truly make your meeting stand out, using customized layouts, screen shares, and more dynamic camera input, all routed through OBS. And there you have it. You're now effectively utilizing the OBS Virtual Camera with Zoom to take your video conferencing to a whole new level. Remember, experimentation is key, so feel free to explore different features within OBS to optimize your presentation or meeting look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're conducting business meetings, teaching online classes, or just catching up with friends, this setup can significantly enhance your presentation. Keep exploring the vast capabilities of OBS to further enhance your video experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.